This month at our dealership, we're putting a whole new twist on the holidays, Christmas and Boxing Week, so we can make it all about you.
We've given the boot to Santa, the reindeer, and the elves all together because let's face it, when is the last time you got what you really wanted for Christmas from these guys?
It's true. You run around all month cooking, shopping, decorating, working hard, trying to make everybody happy. But when did you get a gift that truly made your heart melt and your knees weak?
Well, this year, it's all going to change because these holidays are all about you.
If you collect the 3 snow globes we've hidden, you will get instant access to a Christmas holiday trade-in cash card worth up to $35,000 that you'll be able to validate every day this December at our dealership.
You could also get a chance to play for the big prize and win cash to spend on the Boxing Week shopping extravaganza of your life.
Now I'm getting me excited.
Wow! You could use the cash to pay for all your holiday expenses and still have enough to get huge flat-screen 4K TVs for every room in your house.
You could go on a trip around the world.
You could get that expensive gift you've always wanted, but couldn't get yourself to buy.
Or even better, you could buy from us that brand new car, truck, SUV, or crossover you've been dreaming about all year.
Imagine that under your Christmas tree.
Are you getting excited too?
All you have to do is collect the 3 snow globes we've hidden on the site for a chance to win.
You can get the first snow globe right here underneath this video. Just click and download.
You'll get the second snow globe by clicking on the Get My Snow Globes and My Money button. Just complete the quick form, register your trade for the event, and we will send you an email with a link to download your second snow globe.
Finally, once your trade is registered, you will be automatically redirected to a final page where you will be able to access the 3rd snow globe. It's easy. Collect all 3 for a chance to win.
Once you have all 3 snow globes, use the secret code they form to unlock your Christmas vault. You will get instant access to your Christmas holiday trade-in cash card worth up to $35,000.
You can validate your card every day this December right here at our dealership.
But most importantly, you could get a chance to play for the cash prize and experience the Boxing Week shopping extravaganza of your life.
What are you waiting for? Santa is not going to make your Christmas dreams come to life again this year, so let our dealership help you. Click the first snow globe now.
Then click on the Get My Snow Globes and My Money button, register your trade for our event, and get the other 2 snow globes.
Collect all 3 snow globes and you'll get instant access to your Christmas holiday trade-in cash card worth up to $35,000. Use it to get the vehicle you want to drive this winter.
And don't forget, you will automatically be registered for a chance to play for the Boxing Week shopping extravaganza.
I can't believe we're already in December, heading for the new year.
I know it's crazy. I blinked and the last 12 months had gone by.
You worked hard all year. Let us make this holiday season all about you. You deserve it.
That's a great way to make this new year your best ever.
We wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a prosperous New Year for everyone in your family.
We hope to see you at the dealership so we can extend our warmest wishes in person.